उत्साह उमेद जर पळयली आमची एथलीट्साची त्याच बरोबर आमचे स्पेक्टेटर्स व्हिवर्स जे आसात तांचे बद्दल एक बरोचसो उत्साह हांवें 2 मेडली 400 मिटर्साच्यो 2 आमी गेम पळयलेले आसात. एकंदरीत ज्या तरेन द मायन्यूट मायक्रो जे प्लॅनिंग जे आसात फ्रॉम द DOC's पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू, फ्रॉम द मॅनेजमेंट पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू, इट इज व्हेरी डॉट ऑन टायम. आणि टायम होच सगळ्यांक एक मुखार व्हरता आणि टायम ओनली गिव्स एप्रिशिएशन्स अँड द लॉरल्स अँड द रिवॉर्ड्स वॉट आय वॉन्ट टू से. But definitely it is a proud moment to the Goa also, where Goa is hosting a very great and mega sports festival in the entire state of Goa. It is very exciting moment to be in the midst of this lovely swimmers across the country who is our the Olympians, because swimming is a high priority sports. We are not going to spare anything undone back for any unwanted activities has been done from anybody. My police officials, the securities and all the ground staff is doing the level best duty on the actually on the field. I thanks to the venue commandant who is also in the command of entire thing. Definitely whatever the shortfall is there, we will take by another 2 days of time. But I congratulate to each and every team who have been participated in these 37 national games herein.
We have seen that it may be the Secretary of Olympic Association, Goa Olympic Association President, जो Union Minister आसा, तशें रग्बीचे official DOC आते, everybody praising your efforts, the way the standards have been kept of this national games. How do you see that?
म्हणजे हांव सदांच म्हणटालो की द प्लॅनिंग इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर एनी कायंड ऑफ प्रोग्राम, and that planning was going on for last from 6 months, but it was a very planned, systematic and underway is going on. Nobody was knowing that this kind or this height will be attained by a few days of time. But I was very confident that whatever we have set before the eyes and as far as planning point of view, we will definitely going to tackle all the hurdles and the challenges where had come on the pathway of this organization of this. But definitely I think praising to the sports minister is praising to the Goa people who has given the best and who has supported at the every moment. I also thanks the Honorable Chief Minister who has given the responsibility and stood behind me firmly that you go ahead, whatever the extra support he is going to do, I will definitely going to give you the backhand.
आता ऑक्टोबर खबर जालो, नोव्हेंबर स्टार्ट जातलो फाल्यां. आता 8 दीस म्हणल्यार आता सो 8 दीस कशें आसतलें गोविंद? सगळो वत इन्स्पेक्शनात
आता म्हाका दिसता इन्स्पेक्शनाचो टायम जो जाल्लो आसा तो ऑलमोस्ट काबार जाल्लो आसा, कारण 2 तारखेच्यान आमचे फायनल जे वेन्यूज जे आसात जे सुरवातीक किक ऑफ जावपाक जाय ते ऑलमोस्ट 2 तारखेक जाल्ले आसात. आणि D-2 अवर वेन्यू इज रेडी फ्रॉम ऑल पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू, किंवा सगळ्या एंगलांतल्यान आमचो वेन्यू आज रेडी आसा. आता फक्त मेडल टेलीज बाकीचे बारीक सुद्दां शॉर्टफॉल जर आसात तांचे ट्रान्सपोर्ट, रावपाची, जेवपाची, खावपाची कितें आनी क्वॉलिटी आमकां वाडोवपाक जाय त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान आतां मायक्रो फायन ट्युनिंग करपाचें गरज आसा. वी हॅव ऑलरेडी टेकन द मोमेंटम, वी हॅव ऑलरेडी टेकन द स्पीड फॉर दीस ऑर्गनायझेशन ऑफ द 37 नॅशनल गेम्स. बट डेफिनेटली आमी जालां म्हणून लास्ट मुमेंट, लास्ट जो सेकंड जो आसा हे ऑर्गनायझेशन till that we will be on the ground, we will ensure that nothing will go wrong as far, because एक लास्ट moment एक वर्स जर आसता जाल्यार अनवॉन्टेड जर कितें इन्सिडेंट जर जालो it is going to spoil the entire game, so we don't want to be into that arena. But definitely our entire staff from the sweeper to the highest rank officer is doing a wonderful job. They are very particular about the time, and I always tell this is that the Atithi Devo Bhava is the highest priority in the state of Goa.
National games culturally उत्साह दिलेला आसा. How do you see that?
हांव सदांच म्हणटा की जेन्ना एक एथलीट प्रॅक्टीस करता तो दिसभर थकताय बी, ताजो मायंड सेट कूल जावपा खातीर ताका थोडेशो एंटरटेनमेंटाची सुद्दां गरज आसा. वेन वी लिसन द म्युजीक तुमकां भितरल्यानूच एक नवी तरेची एक एनर्जी मेळटा, आणि म्हणूनच त्या एनवायरमेंटान थोडो काळ ते वचचे आणि ते स्वता एन्जॉय करून घेवचो, जेणे करून दुसरे दिसाचे प्रिपरेशन करपा खातीर आणि दुसरे दीस तांकां ऑन गेम फिल्डान गेम्सां करपा खातीर खूब एक रिलॅक्स मूड जावपाक शकता. आणि म्हणूनच तो हो एक्सरसायज आज आमी केल्लो आसा. बिकॉज हांव सदांच म्हणटा की आर्टिस्ट इज ऑल्सो ऑफ द सेम कॅलिबर. ताजे भितर ते गूण आसचे पडटात आनी एथलीट्साचे हार्डवर्क जे आसा ते हार्डवर्क आमी जर प्रेज जर करतले जाल्यार दीस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द प्लॅटफॉर्म where our athletes, winners or the participant had got the opportunity to showcase their talent in the cultural field too.
गोंयची मेडल टॅली आसा ती डे बाय डे वाडत चल्ली आसा, कितें म्हणपाक?
Yeah, I think हांव खूब हॅप्पी आसा की the way our Goan athletes are representing or doing the best in their individual field. But this is just a beginning, and what I am always telling you, I have set a dream of next 10 to 13 years where we have to give the best in the entire disciplines which has been chosen for this national games. We will see that our entire the disciplines which has been introduced by the state of Goa and the Indian Olympic Association, मुखावेले जे नॅशनल गेम्स आसात तातूंत सुद्दां आमकां रँकिंगान भितर आमी मुखार पावपाक जाय ह्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान म्हजो सातत्यान प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. when we are going to enter into the national games, जेन्ना आमचो हायरकी जेन्ना आमकां पॉयंट्स जेन्ना आमकां चड मेळटले तेन्नाच देर विल बी द एंट्री टू द नेक्स्ट नॅशनल गेम. एंड दॅट्स वाय this national games is a very crucial national games for the every Goan athletes in the every discipline.